Why haven't you done a story on sea level rising yet?
I'll get right on it. Scientist Molly here to talk about humans' effects on sea level rising.
Woo woo!
Hello there. Molly, what do you have to say about sea level rising? Well, the world is rapidly heating up, causing sea levels to rise. The intense heat is causing a massive ecosystem shift, causing one of the most economic and social struggles we've faced in history. A man named Richard Wiles recently spoke at a press conference speaking on a controversial subject, stating that a conservative estimate would be $400 billion in cost to coastal communities to deal with sea level rise over the next 20 years.
How much would you say humans have caused sea level rising?
Over time, humans have caused about 90% of the sea level rising. 87% of that is simple tasks such as burning fossil fuels. According to research, humans were responsible for 0.40 millimeters, or 0.16 inches per year from 1970 to 2005. This number has now increased to 0.46 millimeters, or 0.19 inches per year, resulting from natural variability in human activity. The sea levels change due to rising temperatures as fossil fuels burn, increasing and emitting greenhouse gases into our atmosphere. In warmer climates, the seas are supposed to rise at significant.
Everyone, please welcome Scientist Murphy. She's here to explain the sea level change over years.
Hello, I'm Scientist Murphy, and I'm here to explain the sea level change over years and to give some ways we can help lower the change of this action. And actually, I have a joke for you. Why did the fish not get accepted into college? His grades were below sea level. According to other resources, by 2100, areas now home to 200 million people could fall permanently below the high tide line, mostly focusing on coastal regions due to the constant rise in sea level. Action.
Could you talk about these two graphs we have posted?
Yes, the two graphs above show the rising of sea level change in years. The added water from melting ice sheets and glaciers, and the expansion of seawater as it warms. In 2016, the rate was estimated to be 3.4 millimeters per year, and it is expected to jump higher by the end of the century. Scientists with the Intergovernmental Project on Climate Change predict that global sea level will rise between 0.3 and 1 meter by 2100. Sea levels could rise as much as 19 inches by 2050. Seas around the world have risen an average of nearly 3 inches, 8 centimeters, since 1992, with some locations rising more than 9 inches, 25 centimeters, due to natural variation according to the latest satellite measurements from NASA and its partners.
So what are some ways we can decrease the sea level rise?
Well, one, we can reduce our footprint, plant more and save trees, reduce our energy use, know your flood zone, and leave your car at home.
So, cars emit greenhouse gases which get stuck in the atmosphere. When sunlight enters the atmosphere, some of it usually reflects back into space. However, the greenhouse keep it from reflecting back into space, causing the Earth to heat up. When this occurs, it melts ice caps and glaciers, which cause the sea level to rise. Here's Scientist Bass to explain the billowing effect sea level rising has had throughout the years.
One of the largest contributors to sea level rising is melting ice caps.
Why do ice caps melt?
The ice caps and glaciers are melting due to carbon being emitted into the atmosphere. Scientists with the Intergovernmental Project on Climate Change predict that global sea levels will rise between 0.3 and 1 meter by 2100. Sea levels could rise as much as 19 inches by 20.
That is emitting these gases into the atmosphere.
Fossil fuels are in everyday use. Gasoline-powered cars, planes, power plants, and many other things emit greenhouse gases into the environment. This heats up the temperature of colder parts of the world, like Arctic Circle and Antarctica, which causes ice.
Thank you, scientists who shared with us this wonderful information. Hopefully our viewers will do something about this terrible situation.